How you doing? No, really, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Today I am going to show you how I do my winged eyeliner. I use a Physicians Formula liquid eyeliner. Um, and I hope this video is helpful because I know I have a lot of friends and family that struggle with eyeliner. So first things first, I'm going to start with a pencil liner. This is a gel waterproof eyeliner. You can use whatever eyeliner you want, but for me, this one works the best. So I like to just put this straight in my waterline. I don't like to go on my lower lash line at all for this, but if you want to go a little bit more dramatic, you can. But when I like to do winged eyeliner, I like to keep it more open and minimalistic. So I'm just putting a little bit, and I'm not going all the way from corner to corner. I'm pretty much going into the middle where my pupil is. I feel like if you go too far, then you kind of close off your eye, and I'm trying to open up my eyes. So when it comes to winged eyeliner, you can do this in many ways. This is just the way I found that was easiest for me, and it was really, really fast. You're just going in line with that line you just made with that eyeliner, and you literally are just going to go up and follow that line that you previously made. So this is the eyeliner that I'm using. It is a brush tip. To me, that's the kind that I get the most control. And if you see here, I'm trying to show you that line that you just made with your eyeliner. You're just gonna follow that directly out. And it's pretty easy. I just start like really small, just like a little bit of a line, and make sure that my eyes are pretty close. So I am just doing that little tiny line, just using that fine tip to draw a little baby line. And as you're doing this, just look to make sure that you're doing it in the right position. See how I've got my brush right there? I am just putting it in line with that eyeliner that we made on the waterline, just to follow it straight out. And then here I'm just looking to see if it's pretty even, if it looks like it's going to be a good angle. And of course it's going to be a good angle because you're following your natural waterline. And for me, this look does really good for people that have hooded eyes. Now my eyes aren't as hooded as some other people that I know, but this look really opens your eyes. So next we're just going to extend it just a little bit using that very, very, very fine tip. Just give it a little bit more length. And I'm going to go ahead and do it on this other side here. And I'm going to show you, this is how I'm holding my brush. For some reason with my other eye, you have to kind of readjust the brush because it's a different angle, and so I'm just using that fine tip just to make a little bit of line. And you don't have to make it perfect at this point. You're just trying to get the same length on both sides. So this next step, we're just going to be drawing a line very, very, very close to the lash line here. Now I do a little bit of stamping and a little bit of brush action there, but most of the time just a little stamp action will get you the best results because you're just getting very, very close and you're not drawing any type of line per se, because you don't want to make it too big at first. And I'm just going to do that to the other side real quick. And once again, I'm readjusting how I'm holding the eyeliner pen because I am doing my other eye. You kind of just have to work with it however you can see it best. Oh, and I'm actually not going all the way across for this as well. I am just going kind of a little bit further than I did for the waterline eyeliner, just because we're going to taper it in. It's not necessarily going to be super long, just a little bit more tapered, that we can open up your eye even more. So this is what it looks at this point. So this is technically step 2, and we're going to go on to step 3, which is connecting that very tip of that wing straight down to that other line you made. Now you don't have to go all the way from the wing tip to the front. that you just made on the lash line, because you can adjust it after this step. Now see, I'm just using the very tip of the eyeliner brush to the tip of that wing that I just made and just brought it straight down. See how it's not totally to the front of that line that I made? It doesn't really matter at this point because you're just trying to go down to create that wing. So this is actually a really cool look. If you wanted to, you can leave it with that like empty space and do like a color in there, or glitter or something. And I'm also showing you, I always put my pinky down on my face. I don't know why. It just kind of makes my hand more stable because sometimes I can be a little shaky with all this coffee I've been drinking. So see how like you have like them little blank spots? Yeah, you can add some stuff in there if you want. But so that is the end of step 3, and the next step is going to be filling it in, which is the easiest part. Literally just fill it in. Sometimes I like to use the side of the brush. You can use the tip when you get closer to the wing. At this point, it doesn't really matter. Just fill it in, you know, like the kindergarten times, just in the lines, y'all. Alright, now that I filled it in, this is what it's looking like. And you can see that it's not totally curved correctly right there, but that literally just takes a couple brush strokes to fix that. Like I said, you can go straight from the tip all the way down, but I feel sometimes like I don't have enough confidence, and that's okay. You know, with winged eyeliner, it's best to do a little bit at a time instead of just, because then that's when you mess it up, and then that's when you have a mega eyeliner and you be looking like a drag queen, which, you know, some days I like, sometimes I just don't. So yeah, again, so just bringing down that line where we made and just slowly making it connect to that line, just making it a smidge thicker, that way it just evenly goes into a slope. You know what I'm saying? It's all about even straight lines in this one. Alright, so now that we have that done, I like to step back, look at it, see if everything looks even, see if I like it, see if there's anything I need to change. But everything's looking good, and I really, really recommend this eyeliner. It just makes it so easy, and it's super black, and it is waterproof. And next I'm going to be curling my lashes, and I like to do this in a specific way when I do my eyeliner. I do it at a little bit of an angle just so it kind of goes out a little bit more instead of just straight up. But you know, you can do it however you like. And next I'm going in with my favorite mascara, the Lash Sensational. This is the Blackest Black or something like that. Now this is where I absolutely love doing my mascara with this brush one, because you can really curve your lashes into this and you won't have to clean up too much because you have that winged eyeliner that's already black. So, fast forward, I did my mascara, but I was just a little bit messy, but I let it dry, and I'm going to use a little Q-tip with nothing on it, and I am just going to use like little flicking and rolling motions, and that mascara just comes right off. Okay, so that is my tutorial to do the perfect winged eyeliner really fast. Now, if you can't do it, I'm sorry, but watch the video again. I made it very easy, okay? Okay. Alrighty then. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Felicia!